Hey, it's James here from Guitarist.com, and I'm here with my wife, Kristina. And today, we're going to show you our top 4 Rockin' Christmas tunes. And these are the ones that are requested at Christmas. You know, like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, Frosty, and all those songs. Those are great for our kids and that kind of stuff. But these are the ones that we play with our friends at Christmas time. And we're just going to dive right in. Our first song, what is our first one?
It's Blue Christmas by Elvis Presley.
All right, and we're going to do this in the key of C.
Won't be the same if you're not here with me. And when those blue snowflakes start falling, that's when those blue memories start calling. You'll be doing alright with your Christmas of white, but I'll have a blue, 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 blue Christmas.
And one thing that I did here is we put it in the key of C. Normally it's in the key of E, and that's cool for all the leads, for all that kind of stuff. But I feel like the key of C works really well, and it's quite simple in that key. So, you know, if you want to learn an easier version of that, I can always make one. Just let me know, and I'll pop it out there. Mm-hmm. Anyways, our next tune
is Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, prospero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart.
And this one is a 4-chord wonder. It's the exact same thing over and over again. Even the words are like the exact same thing over and over again. This is like such a repetitive song, but it's so catchy. It's so easy to learn. It's so easy to join in. It's just an absolute classic. And
I feel like even if you don't speak Spanish, you can totally rock this song. I do teach high school Spanish, so I think I'm going to do this with my students this year.
Nice. See, and I bet you she already knows it just from us playing it for like 2 seconds. Yeah. Anyways, what's our next one?
Our next song is Wonderful Christmastime by Paul McCartney.
The mood is right, the spirits are. We're here tonight, and that's enough. Simply having a wonderful Christmas time. Simply having a wonderful Christmas time.
And something I noticed, like when you pull this song up online, the chords are absolutely crazy. But what I did there was I simplified it, and I feel that's a lot easier to play along with and join in on. So if you want to just do like a simple version there, it's mostly a G chord, and then C, and we switch to B minor 7, and I was playing it like this. If you've ever played Landslide, you'll have the muscle memory. That's practically the 2nd chord in it, but I'm adding my ring finger here to the 2nd fret of the G string, making like a B minor 7 chord, then A minor or A minor 7 down to G. And that's so much easier than like what you see online is actually wrong. It doesn't sound like the recording anyways. So since we're going to be changing it, might as well make it something easy instead of a billion chords in a row. And that cool. One, you know, is very approachable if you do it that way, and it's a really fun song to play, really chill. Anyways, we have one more for you.
It's Happy Xmas or Happy
Christmas, War
Happy
is
Christmas,
over.
War is over.
Spelled Xmas.
John Lennon. Yeah.
And so this is Christmas. And what have you done? Another year over. And a new one just begun. So this is Christmas. I hope you have fun. The near and the dear ones. The old and the young. A very Merry Christmas.
And from a, guitar teacher's perspective, this one changes keys and it has a lot of chords in it, but it manages to stay pretty simple. It's not so hard aside from that B minor chord, which in Wonderful Christmas Time we played B minor 7. That same chord works here. So, you can always simplify it. And you don't have to do all that stuff, but it's there for you. So if you are a bit more intermediate and you want to, rock all those suspended chords and do all that stuff, it is available to you.
I love how good the song sounds on an acoustic guitar, too.
Yeah, and when everybody sings along, like that's like on the recording, like Very Merry Christmas. Mm-hmm. Yeah, sounds great.
So I hope you enjoy these 4 rockin' Christmas songs as much as we did.
Yeah, and this was a really quick rundown, but I do teach all of these songs on the channel aside from Wonderful Christmas Time. So if you do want to learn them in full, I'll put links down below for all that. And if you are interested in learning guitar with me, if you take a moment to subscribe to the channel, I'd really appreciate that. Or if you could even take the time to check out my premium courses that will help you get from where you're at now to where you want to be on guitar faster than you thought possible. At the holidays, I do have some special offers too, so you might see those when you visit that page. If you want to get your strumming together or even move forward and get some finger style going, bar chords, all that stuff, learn the blues, like solo blues, acoustic guitar, it's all there. And I'd really appreciate if you take a moment to check that out, and it'll help you out too.
So I feel like at Christmas time we have these wish lists, and when you're a kid you want these toys and stuff like that, but I think as we get older we learn that we really can benefit from experiences, and sometimes our wish list might include something like, I'm going to learn guitar once and for all. And I think that, that's what your courses do.
We just buy my dad slippers every year. And if you're looking for a better idea.
Another sweater, but,
so that's there. I know, and I have some special, like a holiday bundle if you are interested in that. Anyways, have a fun time practicing, and Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Windows blue, snowflakes.